If you're trying to hunt down the cause of squealing brakes, here's what to check. The first thing to check is your brake pads. Brake squeal is usually caused by the brake wear indicator coming in contact with the rotor to let you know that it's time for a new set of pads. Be sure to check for any uneven wear while you're there. Check the condition of your rotors as well. If they are warped or glazed, this can also cause brake squeal. From there, you may need to have your rotors machined or replaced altogether, depending on their condition. To prevent any issues in the future, be sure to properly grease your caliper slide pins to prevent any issues with fast or uneven wear. Brake shims are also known to cause noise, so be sure to grease them as well when installing the new brake pads. For more information on Bendix products, visit www.bendix.com.au.